What's going on, my people of the internet who are watching YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Ordinary E. I'm just an ordinary guy learning about tech and fixing laptops at the moment. If you've been watching the series, I managed to get hold of about 15, was it, including my own one, broken laptops, and we are going through and fixing them and giving them away. The first one that won the giveaway laptop took the money instead, so that became an option now. If you don't want the laptop because of where you live and paying custom export fees, I think it was, and all of that custom fees, then you can take the money and I'll pay you through PayPal. Now the person who won the next one, I think it was Rosny, they took the money as well. The problem with this one though is that they don't have PayPal in the country, but they took the money, and also we have to wait for this to sell on eBay. It was up for 60 bucks on eBay. There was zero interest. We put it to 50. It was a little bit of interest, no takers, no offers. I put it to 45, and there's a few people watching now, so it may go for 40. I reckon if I drop it again it might just sell, but that's one of the downfalls of this, is you have to wait for me to sell it, less the postage fees and the eBay fees, and then you get what's left. That's an option, guys. Or if you want the laptop, they did really want the laptop, but they didn't want to pay the custom fees and whatever else, and maybe the governments don't let this thing through. They took the money, so it's on eBay. We're waiting for it to sell. Just showing you that it's still up and running. We also fixed this one, and to enter into these competitions, to win this one, to win any of them, all you got to do is subscribe and leave a comment. That is it. And then if there's enough comments on the video, I can then do a roll on the comments and a random roll, and the random person will win. So we did manage to fix this second one here, but obviously we used the parts from this laptop in this laptop. But really now all that's missing from this laptop is a hard drive, which I've managed to get my hands on through my car boot sale doodads. So there's a hard drive. We're going to hopefully, looks like it's got the same connection. I think they're called SATA connections, and that's a data connection or power connection, data connection, or yeah, either one of those. So SATA connections is what we got there. It's a 320 gigabyte drive, and I'm going to hopefully it works, because you never know what you get off a car boot sale, whether they worked, whether they're corrupted, whether there's viruses on it, I don't know. But first things first is I'm going to put it in, see if it works, and if it does, then we're going to wipe it. We'll do a proper clean wipe where, I can't remember the name of the program now, but it rewrites over it about 20 times or whatever it is, and then it's clean, and then I'll put a fresh new Windows on it, and that should get this laptop good to go. But let's see if this works. Sorry Rosny, I still have the laptop, I still haven't sold it, but as soon as it sells, we'll get this payment out to you, whatever it sells for and whatever's left over from all the fees. Yeah, it's just you have to wait. I know you've been waiting 3 or 4 weeks now, and same with my videos, taking a bit longer to do videos just because I've got such a busy life at the minute and work is kicking my butt. There you go. So let's get this one shut down, let's get this one trying to boot, and then we're going to tackle these two laptops. And at the moment things have been a bit easy, I feel, and you probably feel, if anyone's like fixes laptops and that, you're probably thinking, oh, this guy's just doing the easy stuff, like just cleans it up and presses a button, it works, right? Well, for me it's not easy. I've never done this kind of thing before, and I feel like this one was a major achievement for me, because I got all the way down to the motherboards and all of that, and I was starting to try and play around with how to read power from using a multimeter, and then figured out that there was power coming through, so maybe it was something to do with and then for some reason I managed to remember, I sort of felt the button pressing, and the button didn't press well when I was doing it without it taken apart, and then when I had it taken apart it had a distinguished click which I never felt before, and I thought that could be it. So, and it was it. So I believe that's what it was, I think so, but all the jiggery and pokery that I did, I don't really know. But anyway, that's what happened to me there. But these ones, one doesn't have a screen, one looks really battered, they both don't turn on, so we have no idea. Like that one is gonna, the rest of these laptops, I did start with the easy laptop, and I'm working my way through just to get this thing moving, get it going, at least make it feasible that I can give laptops away, or the money. And if I can get this one working with this hard drive, I will be announcing the winner for this laptop during this video somewhere. So that'll do. Let's get cracking on trying to get this one going, guys. So the plan of action here is just check. I don't have RAM in here either. Oh, I've got to put some RAM in here. What happened to the RAM? Here's my little box that came with the haul that I'm starting to keep all of the screws and components in. So there's some RAM here. Okay. So 1 gig, 2 gig. So that was the RAM that was in here before. I wonder if we've got any better RAM. 500. And 500, 2 500s there, so no. So this was the RAM that was in here originally, so let's put that in. I think I'll go with the one at the bottom. Okay, so we now have the RAM in there. Screw this down. Okay, just finished screwing that cover down, so now we need this, and we also need, I wonder if one of these laptops has one, but we need that cover. That. Let's see if this one has one. Yes, it's got one, so we need that to make that one complete. And then I think we're going to check the box and see if there's any of these in there. Like I said, this all came in a big massive boxes, and like there's parts in there, but I've separated it all, so now I just have one box with a load of parts inside of it. So we'll go and check that box to see if there's any more of these kind of caddies, I don't know what you call them. There's some screws there as well, so someone taped the screws so you can screw the SSD in there again. Did I do that on the last one? Can't remember. Oh, sugar. I think I lost one. Yeah. Never mind. There it is. Cut me as well. God damn it. Right. So how does that sit? So that was like that. So that means I need that. It's in like that. Nope. So facing that way. Yeah. And you can use those little screws. Oh. Blood, sweat and tears, guys. I do this for you. I'm doing this, so this is completely free. I do it for fun, and I give it away for free. I do it all for free. I don't get paid by anyone. It's just a little thing I do for you guys. That's it. So all I ask is you subscribe, comment. That's all I ask. Can't be that bad, huh? Alright, we're just gonna put all four in here. Why not? Hopefully it works. Okay, so this is a broken laptop at the moment. Have they got RAM in them? I don't know. There's a screw left in this one. No, so none of them have RAM. So that's one thing we've got to figure out. We could probably use, if this works, we use the working components in those to see if we can get it working. But yeah, now this should just slide in here. Hopefully you can see all that, guys. I don't think I need these anymore. Oh, there's two more. Oh, there's some more screws actually. That slides in there nicely. Then I need two screws there. I wonder if these would do. Lovely. And this goes back over here. That one doesn't want to. Let's try, maybe it was this one anyway. That is nice. Hard drive's in, all the screws are on, and we're going to power it on and see what it does. Are you ready? Still need to try and move this slider thing over more. CD-ROM, disk, mouse and slider error, failure, fixed disk. RAM passed, cache, BIOS, shadow. Let's see what happens when I press F1. Operating system not found. Okie dokie. There might just be a blank. Okay, so it's saying operating system not found. It's not doing anything else. So let's boot up from the USB drive, Windows USB download. And I've showed you how to get one of those already in my past videos. If you need another video, let me know and I'll do one on how we get that. I think actually Windows are stopping it, so you better get one quick. Yeah, it's not doing anything, so let's power it down. Put this in, power it on, and we need to get into, I think it's F2. For boot menu, select boot device, F9, sorry. Alright guys, so apologies, after trying to boot the Windows and I just watched back my footage, was the point I got sick, and so obviously I didn't finish the video, and yeah, I felt like I got run over by a truck. I left it overnight to do the Windows installs, and what I had to do was go through a load of hard drives, and so I apologise that this video took a while to get back out, but I was obviously trying to recover. So what I'm going to do now is just finish this video as it stands. Where we were last time, I've just watched back the footage, and we was trying to install Windows onto the second laptop. This was the hard drive that I used. I didn't tell you that on the car boot sale that I go to, I did pick up 4 of these things, hard drives, for $5 for 4. Two, the one I tried first of all in the last part of the video there, didn't work, so I put a little red dot there. Don't know why it's not reading. I'm going to try and see if that works, see if there's a way to work around that. And the second one didn't work either, so 2 of these don't work, and 2 of them did. One's obviously inside the laptop. Yeah guys, basically we have 2 laptops. What I'm going to do though is pick the giveaway for this second laptop now, so I can get this video finished and out to you guys. And yeah, as you can see, both of them loaded up to Windows. This one obviously needs to log on to Windows with the information, and then we're going to move on to these 2 laptops here, 2 there, and see if we can fix any of these. But yeah, again, I apologize guys, I got super sick and took me a while to get back on my feet. Obviously I work as well in my normal job and do all the eBay stuff, so it took me a while to get back round to doing this and editing this video and shooting this video and trying to get onto those to fix, which is why I'm just going to end this video now with the giveaway. So we're going to go over to the computer now, pick the giveaway. I think the video that I said to comment on, there was only about 5 people that commented on it, so you got a 1 in 5 chance at the moment to win this laptop here. Rosny, still, we haven't sold this laptop. It's now at about £35. This is 2 weeks ago on eBay. Still no takers, but as soon as it sells, I will be contacting Rosny to give them the money, whatever's left from the fees. Same deal goes here. So once we pick the winner, hit me up on Instagram, and then we'll arrange either you get the laptop or the money. All right, let's head over to the computer and pick the winner. All right guys, we're over on my YouTube channel, and this was the last video that I said to comment on to be able to win the 3rd laptop in the series now. So we've fixed 3 out of 13, I believe, and all I'm going to do, I was aware of that. Pause that a minute. So this is the video, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 comments. So that's all that's interested in winning the laptop or taking the money. So let's see who's the winner. Here's Gory again. So yes, why not? You can win again. The odds are good. So all I do is I take this link, put it into YouTube random picker, and fetch the winner. Anything goes. Pick the winner. And there's your winner, guys. It's Fut Edits X with the comment, "Gimme that." So congratulations, Fat Edits X. All you got to do now is message me on Instagram and we will arrange to get the laptop to you, or you can ask for the money, which you would have to wait for me to sell the laptop before I can send you the money. Hopefully you have PayPal. All of these issues I'm now uncovering. But yeah, everyone, congratulate Fat Edits X, and yeah, on to the next one. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for bearing with me. Apologies, I got sick. I'm all better now, and I'll be working on more laptops. So keep commenting, keep liking, keep subscribing, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thanks very much.